Now let's move to the next question, which is subtraction. So the condition is like that we have to subtract the integers. So take a first condition is if both the numbers are positive, then so we have to keep in mind. So during the subtraction, what are the changes that we have to keep in mind? So because of this minus sign, okay, so sign inversion which is takes place. So that we have to keep in mind, and this is very, very important. So initially let's look into that. So plus minus of plus. Clear, eh? See, both the numbers are positive, and here we are taking subtraction of this two number. But what happened? This because of minus. Actually, this minus is a multiply with this number, and what happened? It changes because of this minus sign, the sign inversion which is takes place, and the second sign which is converted as a minus. So this minus which enters into that bracket, so it becomes a minus one, and outside the bracket, mm, you know, minus is already migrated there, so we have to put a plus. So as a result of this, we get a first number is positive plus second number is negative. Clear? Eh? So likewise, sign change which is takes place. Similarly, second case, first number is positive, second number is negative. So in this case also this minus will enter into that, or which is multiply with this second number. So here the sign inversion which is takes place means this minus which is entered into the bracket, so it converts as a plus, and already this minus we have to write it like as a plus. Clear है? So साइन इन्वर्जन which is टेक्स्ट प्लेस में जहाँ पे माइनस है वहाँ पे प्लस होगा, और यहाँ पे माइनस है वहीं पे भी प्लस होगा, and simply we have to add this plus and plus. So first number is positive, second number is also positive, so we have to add it, and आपका answer, so your answer is also positive in this case. So one is positive number, another one is negative number. Apply the same logic, and so subtract the term and use use sign of bigger number. Clear, eh? So likewise we have to solve this. Next, move to the third case. If first number is negative, second number is positive, and we are subtracting these two numbers. What we are doing, we are subtracting these two numbers. So the sign change which is takes place. Okay. So what will happen? This minus is a multiply with this plus, so therefore it becomes minus, and so we have to write a plus instead of that minus. The sign change will be sign change takes place, and here it becomes plus and here it becomes minus. So we know that simply minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, we know that minus into minus it becomes plus. So similarly, minus into plus it becomes minus, and as a result of it we are writing minus here. And the last condition, one is a negative term and second also negative, and we are subtracting these two terms. So minus negative term is subtracted with a negative term. So obviously because of this minus, this sign will invert, and it we have to write it as a plus. So here because of minus it becomes plus, so here is also we wrote instead of minus